Hello everybody and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. You're in for a special episode today. We're going to be opening up the new 2022 Halloween series. And I have my friend over here with me named Ryan. Say hi.
Hello again.
And he's going to help me unbox a couple of these. So this is the new 2022 Halloween set. We got it from our grocery store. Well, I got it from my grocery store. He wasn't with me, unfortunately. But yeah, we got the entire set here for unboxing, and I'm gonna plan to upload this on Halloween. And I am really liking the designing on the packaging.
Yes, I like the detail on the packaging.
Yes, and this has some really nice graphics, but this is the first car in the series called Scorcher. These are all fantasy castings, so it's not a very desirable set, but they're still really cool. I love all the wheels on it, the different kinds of wheels on it. Let's get the first car open. It's called the Scorcher, and looks like we're going to have a little rough open there. Let's try opening it from that side. Yeah, so I can tell these are going to be really hard to open because this has very tough packaging there. But I salvaged most of it. I'm going to be keeping the card backs. Not for display, of course, but super nice. Loving the yellow skull wheels. And this has a orange color to it. Nice enamel orange color. And that is a metal body. Very nice. And then the Halloween logo right there. And then black flames and a nice black stripe. Look at that. Very cool for our first car. Looks like we got a little paint chip there, unfortunately. Don't like that, but this is a really cool one. Looks great. Next one is Diesel Boy. I'm going to have Ryan open this one up on camera. So hold it right here and pick at the corner and just pop it open. All right. Okay. Got it right. And then just... Ooh, okay. All right. So he peeled the packaging off. Let's see if we can, salvage that. Pick at the corner there. Okay.
Rookie mistake.
Oh, dang. Look at that. Oh, man. Alright, it's okay. These packages aren't worth anything, so that's good. And yeah. Really cool.
It's a mummy.
I wanted to save the packages, to some extent, but, whatever. We'll keep it stress-free. So we got some... Ooh, wow, that's a really nice shiny base. That is a plastic base. It says Diesel Boy on it. And a thing to note, this series is made in Indonesia instead of Thailand or Malaysia. So very cool. These sets are made in Malaysia. But this time it's made in Indonesia, which is really cool. This is kind of a mummy design. Kind of that theme there. You can see the wrappings there. Not a very heavy casting, but still pretty cool looking. Got the open hole 5 spokes with brown tires. I forgot the color there. Open hole 5 spokes. Black rims. Open top. Looks like we got a 10-cylinder engine. And a matte tan or beige color to it. Pretty cool. Next one. Probably my favorite one of the entire series. Muscle Tone. And loving the metallic purple on this one. And let's pop it open. Still trying to master opening these up. These are really tough packages. Wow, I love this thing so much because it's got graveyard drift on it. That's so cool, metallic purple. It does look like blue on camera, but it is a pure purple off camera. Very nice. You can see the lime and black skull wheels in the front, and then black and gray skull wheels on the back. Kind of like Dodge Charger or Mustang kind of mix. Maybe that's what this is inspired by, but this is a 2000 casting and metal top, yellow interior. That's really cool. And yeah, take a nice look. Graveyard drift, love all the designs, like lightning and stuff going across it.
Shiny.
Oh, yes. And then Ryan's going to open up the What For 2, number 4, and it says Happy Halloween on it. All right.
How much can I mess this one up?
Let's see. Keep it on camera. All right, here we go. I'll let you do it all the way this time. And pull on the packaging right there.
Like here?
Yeah, bring it over a little bit more. Okay, well, we just ripped off half of it. That's all right. Yeah. So I poke a hole in that and just peel it out. Just like the olden days when we were little kids getting these Hot Wheels in front of for Christmas and, opening them right up. But, I like to stay young, so I keep buying them. I think they're really cool. All right, metal base on this one. Happy Halloween. And this has, like, really big engines on it. And then we got gold Phil Roman 5-spoke wheels. Very cool. Looking very good on this casting. Clear green color on this. So that is obviously plastic. I don't think you can make clear metal. Not that I know of, at least. And then metal base. 2004 casting. So it's quite an old one. Not as old as the Muscle Tone, though. The Muscle Tone is from 2000. But very nice looking car. And loving the green. There's the interior there. One-seater. That's a gold chrome on the inside. And the Happy Halloween. Watt 4.2. Very nice smooth spinning wheels. And then finally, the Super Stinger. This one looks really cool. This is probably like my second favorite one.
It's looking like the spookiest one so far. And
it is glow in the dark too. I've been told that this is glow in the dark, and it is proven that it is glow in the dark. So, I ripped this one too. Like, the packaging is so tough on these. Look at that. Can't even get a clean opener. Anyways, yeah. Woo, that looks so cool. And look at this. Look at these skull wheels. Those are clear skull wheels. Super Stinger, 2009 casting. Wow. Super cool. Kind of like ghost flames on this one. Blue and yellow. And a transparent blue interior. It's kind of an interesting car. Not sure what to base it off of. Maybe like... Kind of looks like a ray. Those stinging sea animals.
Stingray.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Yeah, Stingray. Doesn't it kind of look like that? Super Stinger,
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, kind of. I mean, look at that. But anyways, really cool. I'm actually going to turn the light off now and see how much you can see this glow in the dark. And look at that. That just brightens right up. That is the only glow in the dark car. This is really cool. Wow. That glowed up way more than I expected. So very nice Halloween set for 2022. And yeah, which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments section down below. And I'm missing the diesel boy. Where did that go? Okay, there it is. Thank you, kind sir. I should have you do these videos more often.
What do you mean, sir?
Alright, well, thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. Please subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
We'll see you next time.